Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Shiv, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Have you ever come across a piece of code in programming language you're not familiar with? Means you're not able to understand the functionality, what is happening in the code, and or what the code is all about. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to understand any programming language or any code, programming code, whatever you have and you want to understand, you want to learn about the functionality, what is happening in that code, I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT to understand any programming language. Okay, and let's start the topic. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to use the same code which I created in the last video. Okay, in the first video actually. Okay, in that video, we were using the ChatGPT to create some scenarios for the e-commerce website, and we are creating an automation script also. Okay, program code. So which you can see here, this code only we created by using a Selenium with Java. Selenium Java we are using in this programming language. Okay, so now suppose I don't understand, I am a fresher and I don't understand this programming language. What is the functionality? Also, I want to know what we are doing basically in this one, in this program. Okay, so I'm going to use one prompt here. You can see, hi, act as an automation testing teacher who has a 5 years of experience in teaching Selenium with Java language. Why I mentioned this thing first? Act as an automation teacher or act as a automation tester, act as a developer, Java developer. Why we are mentioning like this to ChatGPT? Because we need to mention here that you are a automation tester or a teacher. Okay, so I'm going to provide you few other things, and based on that, based on your experience, expertise, you need to give me the output. So that's why I mentioned it. This thing we called a persona pattern. Okay, in the last video I talked about the reverse pattern. In this one I'm showing you the persona pattern here. Okay, and then I mentioned I will give you some code to explain me in detail. You need to teach fresher who don't know how much you do sorry, who don't know much about the Selenium with Java language. Okay, and here we have the code here. You see, Selenium code, Selenium with Java code. Okay, now after this, you can see, of course, I'd be happy to explain the code you have provided and guide you through through it step by step. Okay, you can read it, this one. So here you can see this is the code first, and here it's showing these line import necessary Selenium and testng libraries, and you can see that now this class, it's here you declare a class name minicard testng. So it's explaining this. Just see, if you see here the explanation, it's not giving me that much which I wanted. Okay, that explanation it's not giving. It's just explaining the code here. This okay, but I want to understand the functionality. I again give one prompt here. You can see, can you explain me more in detail? Explain me all the test scenarios also with code. Okay, so here you can see now it's adding all the scenarios, and now it's giving me the explanation for each code, each line of code here. Web element product is used to locate a product on the web page using an XPath expression. Click on the located product, and it is used, this one is used to locate the add to cart button. Click on the add to cart button. So each code now it's explaining me properly, so now I can understand the code and the functionality, what is happening in the code. Okay, so this is how we are using ChatGPT to learn anything, means to learn the programming language and what is the functionality we are performing in that. Okay. So in the next video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to learn any programming language or any skills. Okay, whatever you want to learn, you can learn it in a very simple way. That I'll explain you in the next videos. Okay. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching for watching this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to this channel. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.